Welcome to One and All. This is Priya. I am very glad to keep in touch with you all again through this video. The capacity to learn is a gift. The ability to learn is a skill. The willingness to learn is a choice. Today, we are going to learn a lesson from third unit, Our Nation. Prose part, the guardians of our nation, which makes you learn what is the real patriotism. On hearing the topic, the guardians of our nation, we may think immediately about soldiers. Yes, they are the real guardians of our nation. Not only the soldiers, one who does his or her job perfectly with some sacrifices and devotion, they are also called as the guardians of our nation. Now, let's move to the story. The third unit, Our Nation. As usual, Nila introduces the unit, the lesson, by saying she loves her country and so she keeps it clean. She is asking us whether we love our country or not. Yes, of course, everyone loves our own country. Now, let's see the words given in the dictionary. As usual, there are 5 words. Let's see one by one. First word is Amar Jawan Jyoti. Amar Jawan Jyoti is an Indian memorial constructed after the India-Pakistan War of 1971. It is an memorial, Indian memorial, constructed after the India-Pakistani War of 1971. The second word is battle. Battle is a fight between armies or groups of people. Battle is a fight between armies or group of people. Next word is weapon. Weapon is an object that is used for fighting or attacking. Weapon is an object that is used for fighting or attacking. Next word is Mahavir Chakra. This is the second highest military reward in India. Mahavir Chakra is the second highest military reward in India. At last, soldier. Soldier is a person who serves in an army. Soldier is a person who serves in an army. I am proud to say you something about soldiers. A soldier is the pride of his nation. He defends the honor of his motherland with his life and blood. He has to rise above his own self to defend his nation. His profession brings out the best qualities in him, like discipline, loyalty, steadfastness, team spirit, etc. His example serves as a beacon light to others who are tame and cowardly. His life is a source of inspiration to the youth of the nation. He has no politics in his makeup. He serves the nation to the best of his ability. So, we should always salute our soldiers. Now, let's move to the lesson, the guardians of our nation. Before that, let's learn the glossary words. Munching. Munching means eating something steadily. Munching, which means eating something steadily. Wreath. Wreath means flowers arranged in a ring for lying on a grave. Malar valayam. Children, that is what called wreath. Ceremony. Ceremony is a formal event to celebrate an anniversary. Ceremony is a formal event to celebrate an anniversary. Memorial is a structure established to remind of a person or event. Memorial is a structure established to remind of a person or event. Intervened. Intervened is nothing but interrupt a conversation. Intervened means interrupt a conversation. Sacrifices. Giving up something more valuable. Sacrifices. Giving up something more valuable. Infected. Contaminated with harmful things. Infected. Contaminated with harmful things. Guarding. To watch over, to protect or control. Guarding means to watch over, to protect or control. Now let's move on to the lesson. The guardians of the nation. The guardians of a nation means persons who guard, that is protect our nation, our country, India. Anand and Yalini came home from school. They returned from school. After washing their face, hands and legs, they sat down next to their father. After refreshing themselves, washing the face, legs, hands, everything, they came and sat next to the side of their father. Their father was watching the news on the television. Anand and Yalini's father was watching the news on the television. There were 2 bowls of chickpea sundal. Chickpea, you know very well, a round yellowish edible seed widely used as a pulse. That is konda kadala solluvom illaya. That is what called chickpea. Chickpea sundal. 2 bowls of chickpea sundal were kept on the table. They ate and watched a ceremony where people were paying respect to a helmet on top of a gun. Dad, what is this place? What are they doing? Asked Anandan. Anand immediately asking on watching the ceremony on TV. He's asking his doubts. He's clarifying his doubts with the father by asking what was the place and what were they doing. Dad replied, "This is Amar Jawan Jyoti, a memorial for the soldiers who died for our country." He explained that that was the place, Amar Jawan Jyoti, a memorial for the soldiers. Okay, that is the memorial for the soldiers is called Amar Jawan Jyoti, and the soldiers, that is for soldiers who fought and died for our country. Every year 7th December is observed as Armed Forces Flag Day. Every year we celebrate a flag day, isn't it? That is 7th of December is observed as Armed Forces Flag Day. On that day, we remember the sacrifices of our soldiers for guarding our nation. On that day, what do? We remember everything. recall the sacrifices. Sacrifices means gives up a valuable things. Okay, gives up of our soldiers for protecting our nation. It is a great honor to serve the nation by joining the army. It is a great honor, great respect to serve the nation by joining the army, he said. And two more questions are given to you. Why do the soldiers die? That is, soldier people die. The soldiers die because armies of different countries indulge in a war. Because of the war, only the soldiers die. The second question is, when will it be stopped? When will it be stopped? It will be stopped when everyone wants peace and universal brotherhood. When we think everyone as our own brother or own sister, then only it will be stopped, isn't it? Yeah. Next, move to the next part of the lesson. Yarni proudly declared, when I grown up, I will join the army and serve the nation. Immediately on hearing these words from her dad, Yarni proudly she announced, declared means announced. When I grown up, when I become an adult person, I will join the army and serve the nation. I'm going to join in the army and serve our country, she said. Anandan said, I will become a doctor and treat the people. Immediately Anand said that he is going to, his wish to become a doctor and to treat the people. Yarni asked immediately, why don't you join the army and serve the people like me? Immediately she is asking why his brother Anand wouldn't like to join the army and serve the nation. Father intervened her and said, intervened means interrupted her and said, joining the army is not only the way to serve the nation, only we can serve by any way. Okay, for serving the country, it is not a must to join the army. That is not the only way. Yarni asked, really, Dad? Yarni, by becoming surprised, she is asking, really, Dad? How can we serve the nation? That is, without joining the army, how can we serve the nation? She is asking. Father said, serving in the army is a grace. That is dignified. Okay, but not everyone gets a chance to serve. Okay, but everyone is not getting the opportunity to join the army and serve the country. But each of us has a role in our society, and by doing that role, we are serving the nation. See, we are serving our nation. But everyone has a role in our role, that is a part in our society. By doing our job correctly, we can serve our nation, Father replied. Father continued, I will tell you the story of Karmuhilan. He was a doctor who died serving the people. Father, he continued without giving any break. He continued his talk. I will tell you the story of Karmuhilan. Karmuhilan was a doctor and died by serving the people. He was young and talented. He was young person and talented person He went to the USA for studying. He went to the USA. USA means United States of America. He went to America to study there. His parents were very proud of him. They felt, Carmuhilan's parents were very proud. They felt very proud of him. They thought that he would live in the USA and continue his practice. Their parents thought that Carmuhilan would stay in the USA and continues his practice. But to everyone's surprise, he came back to India and started treating poor people free of cost. But what happened? He came back to India and started treating the people, poor people, without getting any money. Free of cost means at no cost. Then Yarni asked, were his parents not angry with him? Yarni asked his father that, father, whether his parents, Carmuhilan's parent, didn't get angry with Carmuhilan or not. Dad said they were angry, but they knew he was happy. Dad replied Yarni that Carmuhilan's parents were angry at first, but they knew that Carmuhilan was happy with his service, that is treating the poor people with no cost. One day, dengue broke out in the nearby villages. One day, what happened? Dengue fever, you know very well about dengue fever, broke out in the nearby villages, spread in the nearby villages. He left to those villages to treat the people. He went and treat the people, those who were affected by dengue fever. He saved the lives of many. He was soon well known in the village and people poured in to get treated. He saved the lives of many people. He was soon become famous person, famous doctor in the village, and people started gathered, come in many numbers, isn't it? That is what called gathered. Poured in means gathered to treat, to get treatment from the Dr. Carmuhilan. But one day he got affected by the disease and was taken to the city hospital. But one day what happened? Carmuhilan was affected by, infected means affected by the dengue fever disease, and he was taken to the city hospital to get the treatment. He was in critical condition, poor condition. His parents were upset and worried. Their parents were upset and they got worried about Carmuhilan and his health condition. He told his parents that he had done his duty to the country and was happy. He informed his parents that he did all his duty. He had done his duty to the country and he felt he was very happy. In a couple of days, he died. After a couple of days means after 2 days, he died, he passed away. In his memory, the people of the village have built a hospital and treat people at free of cost. In his memory, in the memory of Carmuhilan, doctor, the people, the village people built a hospital and treat people at free of cost. That is, without getting money from the people, they treat the people in the hospital. That's really great, Dad. He is a real hero, said Yarni. By hearing the story of Carmuhilan, Yarni got surprised and informed his father that Carmuhilan was a real hero, great hero, he said. Father replied, each one of us should love and respect our country. We should treat everyone around us with love and respect. That's the real service to the nation. Father said to Yarni that everyone should love and respect our country, and we should treat everyone around us with love and respect. We should show our love and respect to everyone. We should not give any partiality. We should not show any partiality among the peoples. That's the real service to the nation. That's the real service, true service to the nation that we serve, he said. Thank you, children.